Welcome to Newton Nissan. You can see this and other vehicles at newtonnissan.com. This is a 2017 Nissan Frontier SV model. Gives you fog lights, alloy wheels. It's got auto climate control, heated seats, rear camera. This has the value truck package. You have the spray-on bedliner, bed extender, Utili-Track system, tow hitch, and rear backup sensors as well, which I'll show you in just a second. There's your tow hitch, rear backup sensors. You got a locking tailgate, bed extender. Additionally, this bed extender can be slid up and down the rails for adjustment, so it can adjust all the way out to the end of the tailgate. Cleats for the Utili-Track system, very easy to use. Take off, maneuver around, tie stuff down as well. Sliding rear window and cargo light. Let me show you the interior. The seats do fold up to give you extra space. There is storage underneath. Apologize for a moment while I get that seat up there. Floor mats, which that's a plus in a pre-owned vehicle. You'll look at the interior, give you a panning shot. Okay, headliner, power windows, power locks. Keyless entry. Bluetooth hands-free phone operation, streaming audio. Cruise control drops over here. This right here is the button for the fog lights. Cargo lamp. Dual zone auto climate control, so you can modify that according to each passenger up front. Rear camera. Auto dimming mirror. Compass and outside temperature. Thankful for the AC. Heated seats. Button for the rear sonar and the traction control. Automatic transmission. Folks, you can see more information about this vehicle at newtonnissan.com. Keep in mind that this vehicle is pre-owned and it is available for a limited time.